Hi, I'm Jay from BioHackly. It was time for a new mattress, so I thought I would focus on finding the most non-toxic, healthy, and comfortable mattress I could find. The first part of the journey was simple. Go to Google and search for toxic mattresses just to see if it was even a concern. So I did a search for "Are mattresses toxic?" The first thing that comes up under the two ads is a link to an article on Dr. Marcolo's website called "Toxic Chemicals in Your Mattress." As you can see, it says they may contain flame-retardant chemicals, boric acid, a toxic respiratory irritant used to kill roaches, nice, antimony, a metal that may be more toxic than mercury, and formaldehyde, which causes cancer. These are some of the chemicals that may lurk in your mattress, even those from high-end brands. Well, this was an eye-opener. Imagine spending 6 to 8 hours per night breathing in toxins with your nose and mouth just inches away from your mattress and your pillow. I changed my search to best natural organic mattresses, and as you can see, with over 500,000 results, it can be overwhelming. What I found was that all 100% natural mattresses were made out of natural latex, which comes out as a milky sap from the rubber tree. There is a foam shop in Vancouver, which is where I am. So I went there and tested some of the foam mattresses, but they're all too soft. I like my mattress to be fairly hard. Through my Google search, I found DIYnaturalbedding.com. They've got some great articles on their site. I've learned a lot about natural latex on their website. There are two different processes to process latex to make a mattress: Dunlop latex and Talalay. There are advantages and disadvantages to both. The mattress I chose was a Dunlop processed natural latex mattress. Okay, so let's switch to the shop menu item and go to organic natural latex. Let's have a look at the 3-inch organic natural latex slab. Here you can choose your size and your firmness. Okay, before I go any further, I must mention that I found it very hard to find a firm mattress anywhere, a firm latex mattress anywhere. I couldn't get the firmest mattress I wanted buying it locally. I sent an email to DIY Natural Bedding to inquire about how firm their mattress really was, and mentioned that I had tried the local foam shop here in Vancouver, but they didn't have a natural latex mattress that was firm enough for me. I was pleasantly surprised when they emailed me back and told me they had called the foam shop in Vancouver to inquire about the firmness, and she confirmed that they could create a firmer mattress for me from natural latex. I was very happy, and here's the bonus. The cost was about half the price of getting it here in Vancouver. So it was about half the price when I ordered it from DIY Natural Bedding, and I got what I wanted. The natural latex mattresses are available in any size, and they can create custom sizes for you if needed. You can see what the mattress looks like. It's beautiful to sleep on. I have a cotton knit ticking on it right now. The ticking is a case that your mattress will zip inside of. They're made of cotton and feel beautiful. The quality of workmanship is really nice. Your pillow and pillowcase are just as important as your mattress. You don't want to use anything toxic so close to your head. Let me show you what I use for a pillow. Let's go to shop, then pillow parts. I'm using a Millet Hull pillow, although I have a grounding cotton and silver pillowcase on it. There are a few different options for natural pillows depending on your liking. Of course, you can buy all the bulk materials separately and build your own. Okay, let's have a look at what I'm sleeping on right now. Here's the pillow I use, which is a buckwheat pillow. It's got a grounding pillowcase on it, which you can see from the grounding plug. And the sheet is also a grounding sheet, which is plugged in over in the corner over there. If I lift this up, I can expose the cotton knit underneath. It's absolutely beautiful, so soft. And from here I can expose the latex mattress. The mattress and the knit ticking are from DIYnaturalbedding.com. I'm very happy with my decision. It's very comfortable to sleep on, and there are no toxic chemicals to breathe in while you're sleeping. I'll put links for everything in the description below. The one thing that stood out during this journey was the quality of service from DIY Natural Bedding and the way they went out of their way to help me. As I've said in my other videos, if you find someone that goes out of their way to help you, like these people did for me, I'll be a customer for life. We need more people like that in the world. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share the video with friends so we can all live a healthier and longer life.